Good morning children, welcome back to Google class. Today we will study chapter 23, section G, article writing. What is article writing? We might have heard many times that he has written or she has written an article. What does it mean? An article writing is an art. An article is a piece of writing usually intended for publication in a newspaper or a magazine. It is written for a wide audience, so it should be written in an interesting manner so as to hold the reader's attention. It may include descriptions, quotations, and even amusing stories. It should be, article, it should give opinions, thoughts, and facts. So remember when you write an article. Before writing the article, it is important to consider the following facts. And these facts are: where is the article going to appear? That you have to keep in your mind. Who are the intended readers, target audience, children, teenager, and general public. So accordingly you will have to write, because if you are writing for the children, it's meant for them. Words should be proper and clear as you are writing. What is the main or aim of the article? The style, language, and label of the article should be kept in mind. Remember, the style when you write, and language and label of the article should be kept in mind for whom you are writing, whether you are writing for teenager, children, or general public. Ideas should be clear and carefully organized into paragraphs. Appropriate vocabulary and language should be used. Now, purpose of writing an article. The main purpose of writing an article are as follows. To express personal opinion. Suppose you want to express your personal opinion, you are not getting time to express your ideas in front of people. So you can write an article and you can express there. To provide information on a variety of themes. So these are the two main reasons. Now you will have to remember some of the points. For example, an introduction which clearly defines the topic and engages the reader's attention at the same time. It can include a slogan, a question, an amazing fact, or figure, or a statement. The main body can have two or more paragraphs. Causes, effects, and present state of affairs can be included in the main body. The conclusion should be summarize and close the topic. It should be include solution. This is way you are supposed to write an article. Thank you.